is in the month of August 2017. Me, youth president of Dabolim, along with another NGO, that is Dabolim Equate, which is working simultaneously for the development of this constituency. We merged together. We went to meet PWD Minister, that is Dhavlikar, Sudin Dhavlikar, and we had a communication for 1 hour to discuss on this particular parameter, saying about why drainage and sewage line is important for New Vaddem and Vaddem area, because there is no sewage line connected entire location. So we explained him the problem faced by these people, and we wanted that to be implemented very soon. And I recently heard that the MLA saying that has been sanctioned. I really thank Dhavlikar, PWD Minister, for sanctioning this particular thing in very less period. I know, because a lot of problems comes and the projects takes years and years to get sanctioned. But yes, I really thank PWD Minister and even the Honorable MLA of Dabolim constituency, because he announced saying that this project is being sanctioned by center of 150 crores, whatever maybe. I want this particular thing to be happened.
सरकारान बाकीच्या प्रश्नांचेरूय लक्ष दिवचे.
As New Vaddem as a major component, but successive government have failed to give due benefits to the people of New Vaddem. Take the case of the government school. They are crying for attention. Today youth are our future, but are they getting good education, good discipline? They are known only for the wrong reasons. See the state of the SAG ground in New Vaddem. It is in shambles. The strong water drains are filled with dirty water. The urban health center can easily pull them up, pull the people up, tell them, Baba, see, this is not what you are doing. They can request them, guide them, do some soak pits, pump in the water in the soak pits instead of allowing them to go in the open. Who is responsible? Health department is responsible, and they only have to face the music after us because of dengue and malaria.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.